Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta and welcome to my channel Russian for Foreigners. If you are interested in learning words that make up 50% of written Russian, you definitely should watch my video and subscribe my channel. Why do you think Russian is so difficult and hard language? I don't think that you have this answer, right? But I have. I will prove you that you can speak Russian, and speak Russian it's maybe hard, but not impossible. So let's start and let's go to the board. So are you ready for difficulties? I am. So let's start from the first time. Spelling. But you think it's just in Russian language? No, it's not. It's in every language are the same. So spelling, how do you want to change it in your mind? I want you to change it in your mind. I want you to think that it's not so hard. So let's spell check and do it every day. So maybe 5 minutes, maybe 3, and after, I don't know, maybe a week, you can see how you move to different level. So from 0, you will be improving your Russian, since today maybe and after tomorrow you are different. So let's start please from spell check. Another, pronunciation. Yes, pronunciation sometimes are difficult, but listen, for you, yes, some languages doesn't have some letters. Like in Russian we have some letters that were pronounced different, but for English speakers it's so hard to repeat. So I have my course, and my students always trying to pronounce. I try to show them some letters, how to change their throat here, because we are talking absolutely different, but I can't speak now about this because it's a long lesson can be. So, but believe me, pronunciation is just practice. Just practice, and firstly you should listen how the Russian native speakers are pronounce some letters or words. This is so important to hear it, to improve your listening comprehension and repeat to be the same or closer to them. So next one, amount of vocabulary. Yes, this hard and big part, but you only need a few words to start speaking, right? Let's move to your when you was a child, so 3-5 years old. How did you speak? As a president? As a person who is so intelligent and educated? No, you just starting speaking slowly, word by word, but you're starting, and after that improving your language, right? Improving your skills. So the big problem, if you're not a child, if you're adult, big problem for you that here you have in your mind some thought that you should be perfect, without mistake. Impossible, man, impossible. So you should start from something. For example, change your phone at the Russian language, and every day look at these letters and words, and you can understand after 1 week that it's from the hard situation change to the different way. So you only need to not a lot of words to start speaking. Another, my advice, you should start your vocabulary, new one, from something that it's about yourself, about your interest, about your business, and not about mine, not about neighbors, just about yourself. And it will be so easy to memorize it. Do you understand what I mean? So it's really, really important. So another, tenses. Yes, tenses. But believe me, I am Russian and I can speak Russian, you know, so it means it's not impossible, you know. So it means you can also. For example, we don't have articles, we don't have present continuous, we don't have them, and we are living without them. So if it's difficult to understand, like for 3 minutes, like from this video, you can click to my channel, send the message that you want to have online course, and I can explain you maybe 1-2 hours to you understand what is the difference, you know, and how to put everything down in your head to improve your Russian and to understand better, maybe. But if you're so busy and these lessons it's enough for you, you should do it every day, maybe 5 minutes, but you should have them. So I hope this lesson was so useful for you, and I hope we'll see you soon. Bye.